teppanyaki. Let's try teppanyaki.
Mommy, open your mouth. Come on, here you go.
Video me.
Yeah, open your mouth, Daddy.
Video me. Video me.
One more. Open your mouth. Yeah.
Daddy.
Baby. Come on, here you go. One more. Open your mouth.
Go, Sonny.
Last one, boy. Open your mouth.
Little boy, open your mouth.
Open your mouth again. Open your mouth. One more time. Come on, here you go.
Sonny's face there.
Six, seven, sir. Hold on. Oh boy, that's 6, 7.
Oh, did the exit?
Yep. Up. Open your mouth, sir. Up, down. Hey, up, down. Hey, sexy boy. And you like sexy boy or sexy lady? Sexy lady. Hey! There's something great for you.
Whoa, we broke it, look at that.
Can you give it to this fella?
Are you ready to see fire?
Yes! I'm ready to see fire! Don't make my eyeballs fall off.
Careful your hair.
Yeah. Hold your hair back like that.
Careful your eyebrow. Nina.
My eyeballs off.
No eyebrows left.
You have eyebrow?
Yeah.
You get them off there.
That confused them. Whoa, what's he making? Wait, can we share that together?
Take an egg fried rice.
Or is it gonna go like this? I can't wait for it to go like chop.
Do you order another one?
Yeah, he's already got it. Some veggies.
You like it to go, boy?
No.
No?
Hi. Oh, so you look this. Is it gonna chop? Choppy chop. They're gonna choppy chop. Oh.
Thank you.
Hey, well done.
Yeah.
That actually
He's got you. He's got you.
Who has no my ticket?
Bisa like a magic.
Magic sauce. You want noodles, Sonny, I think.
He wants to do the
Noodle! Soy sauce!
Steak!
Oh, look at that.
Take on the steak! Steak! Medium rare!
Mommy? Daddy?
That's it. Thank you.
Baby?
You happy, Sonny? Happy, Luca?
Yes! I can't wait for the steak. Here goes the steak.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that good steak. Medium rare. Is that medium rare?
It's on its way, mate.
Oh, here comes food. JC will watch it.
Yeah?
Hi, JC. I'm giving them a bit of you. Look. You weren't using it.
Take the chili and garlic.
Oh, why do I rice on that?
It's on the sauce on, see, look.
It's going to be on there.
The rice is lovely.
Oh, man!
I want my food.
Thank you.
Oh, boy. Hey. Chicken.
Hot. It's hot.
You just look at that. Show everybody.
Go on then, you try it.
Oh, look at all that juice coming out. Oh, look at that juice. If you wanna eat this, now I'll just try it. If you like what I'm having, come to Teppanyaki, Manchester.
Wow, look at that. What's it like, Sonny?
Very good. Look at that.
Have you tasted it yet, Luca?
I'm just putting it. Is there any ketchup? Nah, let's put that back.
You don't like pepper?
It smells a big piece. Dip it in the ketchup.
It's not even on yet.
Delicious!
Oh, now it's on yet. You see yourself?
Delicious!
Ready? Oh, sorry, crab floater. Big one.
Hey, Cabra!
Go on then. Well done. Go for it.
I did it!
You done it.
Happy birthday, Sonny.
Happy birthday!
Hey.
Ready? You choose one. May you wish. Ready? Both for you? Okay, go for it.
3.
Oh,
Right.
that's good.
Hey, Sonny, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, look at you. I didn't celebrate your birthday. Today we celebrate together, right?
We'll celebrate.
This cake is really nice. Let's open the present.
Ready?
There we go.
I open this one.
Yeah.
Oh, wowza.
Let's open this.
What'd you say? Wow, how cool is that? How cool are they? Oh, demigorgon as well. Nice, mate. Wow, that's cool, that. Whoa!
Happy birthday, Lucas! What is
Oh my word!
They say
Oh
in
my
Spanish,
word.
feliz cumpleaños. It's like a happy birthday.
You say feliz compañeros?
Feliz cumpleaños.
Very good.
Feliz cumpleaños, both for you.
I'm a 1-year-old.
No, it's 7.
It's a funky 7. Does anyone know to say thank you in Spanish?
Gracias. Gracias. Here's our cake. Sonny!
More.
One more? Oh my
For
word.
Easter, because I don't want to see you next week.
I don't want to next week. I'm birthday.
Oh wow.
For your brother.
Wowza.
What's that?
For you.
What's that present?
Wowza.
This is the dinosaur one. There's a dinosaur. What that was a raptor? That was a
Say thank you in Spanish.
Gracias. Gracias.
That money is for him to buy you another t-shirt.
What'd you say?
Thank you. Thank you, Anna.
You choose the color and show me the picture.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi guys, this is the stupidest kid on the wheel.